What's good with you, YouTube? It's your boy, I am Charlie P, and I'm back with another video. Truck is ready. Called an Uber. Uber like 15 minutes away. Back to the money. So we can please Miss Mama's over there. And look at the little man. Yeah, say what up. Yeah, tell him what up. Doo-doo. All right, I'll cut y'all back on when I get to the truck. But if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. If you're a returning sub, an OG sub, I appreciate the love, appreciate the support. We're trying to hit to 1,000 subs by July, by my birthday. So we can reach that, we can obtain that. That'll be lovely. So do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment. Right. Well, I'm going in there. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, you got to turn around. That was the only way to get in.
Okay.
No, you're good.
Huh?
Yeah, it's something. Yeah.
I'm sorry. My English.
Oh, no, you're fine. Yeah, you can let me out right here. Thank you. Oh, you too. All right, y'all, so I made it to the rest truck again. My Uber, man, that lady took the long way. Tired, man, so I'm up here about to get my truck. My transportation manager called me this morning. Well, not this morning, probably like 10, 11 o'clock. He said my truck is ready. So I got a load. They leave out at 4 in the morning. So right now it's 3:13. So it takes about an hour and a half, maybe 2 hours to get up to Bowling Green. So I have enough time for my reset and to grab the trailer and go on by my day. It's like 500 miles going to Indiana. And then I think it's like 15 stops or something like that. It might be my truck right there. I'd be able to tell by the, yep, that is my truck. Good to go. Let me go in here and grab the keys, grab everything, and I'll be on my way. So apparently I gotta go back to the body shop. And apparently that truck that I seen was not mine again. But look at those Peterbilts. Man, those are nice. So I gotta go over to the body shop and get my truck. I don't know why I keep seeing that same truck right there and it looked like mine. But how I know is because one of my mud flaps has the little swirls for the little bracket, which I hate, but I seen it on there and I was like, oh yeah, that's my truck. Apparently not, because that one don't have a painted bumper, so. I ain't never seen that kind of Peterbilt right there, that blue one. If anybody know what that blue one model is, let me know. I like that red one though. That red one, nice. I wish I didn't have a restriction and I knew how to drive a 10, 13, 18 speed. Boy, I'd be getting it in, but it's cool. I ain't tripping. What I do, I don't need all that. I don't even know if I'm even go that far with the trucking, far as like getting a custom built truck, but who knows, you know? You guys keep watching me and get my own truck and I can work my way up to that. But we're almost to the body shop. I'm just ready to get my truck and probably give me something to eat. Kind of hungry. I ain't really eating much this morning. But yeah, this is the rush truck I'm at. It's in Smyrna, Tennessee. Maybe that orange truck that I took a picture of. I don't know if y'all see it or not. Hey, I'm here to pick up my truck. Warner. A Werner driver. They said it was in the body shop.
Oh, I thought you were coming to pick. I was gonna be like, oh, wait, that was fast. Right through there.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, sir.
How's it going? I got a call. My truck was ready. Werner driver.
Good call.
My manager, he called me about 10 this morning.
Now we're still waiting on the approval for the radiator.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, they signed it off. Just no response yet.
Okay, I'm gonna give him a call. All right, y'all. Sad news. Truck ain't ready. They lied to my manager. The lady at this shop said that she thought that basically she thought it was ready from the last time they came and got it. But what I'm not understanding is they charge Werner for fixing it, and now they tell me they gotta approve it. Like, so they're charging Werner again for something y'all was supposed to already have fixed. And then I get up here and basically it's not fixed. It's not, they saying that Werner didn't approve the work or whatnot. Not gonna lie to you, bro. It's getting irritating. He said he's gonna try to find me another truck. I just won't accept it and give me another truck. It is what it is, dog. I ain't even gonna need a trip. It's about to rain, it look like. I'm hungry. I ain't had nothing to eat. So I'm just gonna see if I can find a McDonald's or something close by. Grab me something quick to eat. But this right here is not cool. This shop is terrible, I'm telling you. This Rush Truck shop in Smyrna, Tennessee I'm telling you, it's terrible. I don't care if they watch my videos, they see it. It's just terrible, man. Cause they lied to him, so you know, something told me like I did want to basically call up here. Like after he called me and told me it was ready, I was like, should I just call up there? I'm like, no. He already basically told me it was ready and whatnot. So I'm like, bet. Taking a shower, getting ready. You know, playing with my son before I gotta go. Spend time with my wife. And sure enough, I get an Uber. I catch one all the way up here. I'm trying to get an Uber at a good price because them Ubers was like $50. But I got one for like $25. And my son just went down for a nap. I ain't trying to pay another $25. That's $50, even though Werner gonna reimburse me for it because it's like it's an inconvenience, all my gas receipts and all that. So yeah, man, I don't know, man. And it's crazy because I got gas one time, but I didn't get no receipt to it. When that time I went up there and did all that, but I don't know, man. Yeah, I've been trying to go somewhere and give me something to eat before. Like it's finna rain, like it said, it's supposed to be a tornado watch. Should just got me hotel right here, man. But since they already know I don't live that far away. But golly, man, it's an inconvenience, man. It's inconvenience. So get out, man. All right, so I stopped at the McDonald's. I walked about 2 miles to get here. Good exercise, but my legs started hurting. I ain't that 20-year-old no more. I'm gonna be 31, but I was gonna wait till I was gonna see if my wife could come get me, but the weather getting bad, and as you can see, I don't know if this is tent, but the weather getting bad, so I'm not gonna send her and my son out. Plus, he just went down for a nap probably about an hour ago, so I'm not gonna get them out in this weather. I just Uber back since, you know, my manager told me to keep all my receipts. They paying me for it. It sucks because I thought I was going to be leaving out in the morning, but it is what it is, bro. Like I'm just gonna accept whatever truck they give me, as long as it got a refrigerator and it's decent size. I don't care no more, man. I just want to get back to working. This bumper situation has really just caused a whole weird little situation going on. But I don't really have much to say on this vlog, on this video. I'm just here. This video was going to be an exciting video, me getting my truck back and stuff like that, but sadly, it's not the case. So I'm going to just end this here. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, everybody rocking with me, everybody who's supporting me, everybody who's sending me uplifting words, everybody who's liking, subscribing, trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers before July. I appreciate all that, man, and I'm out.